and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So today's video is going to be a few days wrapped up into one video, just because they really weren't long enough to make their own separate videos, so I just kind of included several nights into one. So here I am literally just putting plastic over every single surface of my living room. So my dad was fixing the roof and he needed to start sanding the ceiling. So it was going to get very messy. So instead of having to take everything out of the room, I basically just went around and taped plastic to everything to kind of help with the dust and everything. I'm sure that some still got through. We're still working on the ceiling, so I haven't taken anything down yet, but I'm sure I will have to end up cleaning something at some point. But for now, I just decided to put some plastic over to kind of protect it a little bit. So I basically just went around, and my dad had already done some of the living room, so I was just putting the rest of the plastic to cover the other surfaces. Now I'm moving into the kitchen, and this is actually the next night. So I know my garbage was overflowing. So I'm really bad about taking out the garbage too. And since the hurricane, we really don't have a regular pickup time. So you just kind of have to, early in the morning, if you hear the garbage truck coming in the neighborhood, like you have to like run outside and put the garbage can out, because you never know which day it's gonna be. And they're still basically trying to get caught up with getting more employees and everything. So we really don't have like set schedules right now, which is okay with me, but it's just, it makes it kind of interesting taking out the garbage. But so I'm just moving to the dishes, and as you can tell, I have a lot of dishes in the sink and I hate when I let it get this way because it takes so long and I should really be better with it. But you know, life happens, and there are certain nights when, honestly, when I come home from work, and it's not even that my work is like stressful or strenuous or anything like that, but I honestly, sometimes when I come home, I don't want to do anything. I just want to sit and look at Pinterest. So this is the result of what happens when I do that. So I'm just gonna be finishing washing the dishes, the ones that I can hand wash, and then putting the rest in the dishwasher. And I'm actually gonna be starting the dishwasher tonight because the dishwasher is already full. So I will continue on to clean the counters and the range and a little bit in the microwave. I don't really use the microwave that much, so it doesn't really get dirty. And I have one of those splatter protectors, you know, like the little, they're just like clear plastic protectors that you put over a plate, and it's just help for like splatter guard or something like that. And I have one of those that I'll wash every now and then, but that really doesn't even get that dirty. So I'm just gonna be finishing up in the kitchen, and I will catch y'all guys later. this video was so short. I really didn't have a lot to share, and I am going to be posting a couple of more videos that I'm currently working on, so just stay tuned for those. But I really hope y'all enjoyed. Subscribe if y'all are new, and don't forget to like this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys!